was just working away on this guy here for an upcoming animated television commercial, and as I was working and just setting up the scene and the shot, I looked over to my 3D printer and I saw that the filament had some kinks in it. It looked like it had some kinks in it, and they weren't there the other day, so I went over and had a closer look, and what I saw took me by surprise. If you look at the filament, you'll see that it looks kinked from a distance, but when you get up close, there are actually breaks in the filament. You see that? So it's just broken in even sections all the way down the filament. Now I've never seen that before. This is Aldi's Cocoon Create filament. I've never had an issue before. It's always been really good and reliable, PLA. We've had 37-degree temperature here yesterday. We've got a bit of a heat wave coming through at the moment, and I'm wondering if the heat had some impact on the filament, but I've never seen that before. If you've seen this before, or you know what's causing it, could you please leave a comment below, and that way other people will be able to see what the issue is and what's causing it. But yeah, I've never seen this before, so that's a bit of a strange one. But like I said, if you know what's causing it, or have any ideas, just please leave a comment, and I'll try and work out what's happening this end as well. Well, that's it, just a quick one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.